Hello everyone, my name is Manarshi Jadeja. Today in this video I am going to talk about the second most important property of hooks, and that is polymorphism. So mainly in this video we are going to cover two questions. First is what is polymorphism, and second is types of polymorphism. In this video mainly we are going to cover these two questions. The first, what is the polymorphism? So this polymorphism word derived from the two Greek words. First, poly. Poly means many, while second is morphis. That means forms. So that means it's derived that many forms. So basically we can say that when polymorphism occurs, when we have a many classes, all have a same method but different implementation. At that time polymorphism occurs. If I'll explain you through one example, you can say if I have a one class, parent class animal, and in animal I have a one method animal sound. So in animal sound I have a one implementation that I am printing the message animal makes different sound. So that means in animal sound I have this implementation that I am printing this message. Now same, I have a two child class, that one is pig. The pig have a same method animal sound, but pig have a method is same but implementation is different. That here I am printing the different method, means I am implementing the different thing. Yeah. Pig makes wool. Okay. Now similar, I have a third cat. So in a cat we have a same method animal sound compared to previous, but as I said before that we implement the same method but different implementation of that particular method. So here I am printing cat makes meow. Okay. So in this example you can see that we have a three class, that as I said that in polymorphism we have a many class, many forms regarding means many class. So we have a three class animal, pig, cat. One is a parent class and the other two is a child class. So all have a same method animal sound, but have different implementation. Here I am printing this animal makes different sound. In a pig I am printing pig makes woo, and in a cat I am printing that cat makes the meow. So this is all about the polymorphism. If I'll explain you with one other example, then here you can see that as I said that in a polymorphism we have a many class but same method but different implementation. So here you can say this is the shape is a parent class. In a shape we have one method area. In a same we have a three child class circle, triangle and rectangle. So in all three child class we have a same method area and area, but we have a different implementation. So in a circle we are implementing circle, in a triangle we are implementing triangle, in a rectangle we are implementing rectangle. So this is all about the polymorphism. So it occurs when we have a many class, same method but different implementation. So at that time it will occur. Now if I'll explain you through one example, so here you can see that as I mentioned in my previous example, that is a class animal, it's a parent class, we have a method animal sound. So now we have to have a child class, that pig, dog, both are the extended by animal. So here we are going to use the inheritance to inherit the parent class. So if you are not aware about the inheritance, then you can watch my previous video, and I have already mentioned the link in a description. So here we are extending, pig extend by the animal, and the dog is also extend by the animal. So in all three we have a same method, animal sound, but we have a different implementation. That here we are printing the animal makes a sound, here we are printing the pig says V, and here we are saying that the dog says bow bow. Okay. So now here you can see that from main method we are creating the three objects of parent class and the both child class. So after that we are calling the method animal sound, so it will print the all three things one by one. Here you can see that. So mainly why we are using inheritance and the polymorphism. So the mainly most important thing why we are using polymorphism is the reusability. To reusable the more things, to reduce the complexity of code, we are using the polymorphism, or we can say to use the reusability, for we are using the polymorphism. Now we'll talk about the types of the polymorphism. So there are the mainly two types. That one is runtime polymorphism, second compile time polymorphism. So runtime polymorphism means we are talking about the overriding. The compile time polymorphism means we are talking about the overloading. So I have already make one video on overriding and the overloading. So if you are not aware about that, you can refer that video, so you will also understand the types of the polymorphism. I have already mentioned the link of both inheritance and the overloading and the overriding in our description. So this is all about the polymorphism. Thank you.